So, today's topic of answer writing is federalism, one of the most trending and favorite topic of UPSC. The question reads, competitive federalism in India is challenge for cooperative federalism in the country. Comment. So basically the question is simple and direct, that competitive federalism challenge cooperative federalism. So we start with a very basic and a fact loaded intro, that is, federalism is a basic structure of our constitution as held in SR Bomi case. It is a simple, crisp, short and fact loaded intro. Then competitive federalism as a challenge to cooperative federalism. This is the main body of our answer, and we are addressing the first dimension of the answer. So first point, looking at own interest despite the national needs. Example, tussle over rice in Karnataka. Point 2, border dispute despite state not being sovereign or indestructible. Example, Assam, Meghalaya. Point number 3, competition for limited resources or budget, political partisanship. Point number 4, competition for bettering of own vote base, federal tussle like Belgaum between Maharashtra and Karnataka. Point number 5, unbalanced growth, one state region takes all while other neglected. So the body is now, you can see, very crisp in one line, and there is an example. So this body is like crisp and example loaded. That is called a good body. Now we have introduced a diagram that competition and federal tension are between cooperation, and these are maintained by synergy by the center. So we have write how this can be promoted, that is synergy by the center, that is indices by the Niti Aayog, competition while sharing best practices, sabka saath sabka vikas, tribunals like for interstate water dispute, cooperative competition by sharing of resources amically, finance commission, demographic and tax effort promoting national interest at the core. So this is our second dimension. Okay, this is also crisp, heading clearly mentioned with a short example or explanation. Then we have loaded our answer with fact. Example, constitutional backing for cooperation, full faith and credit clause article 261, interstate trade and commerce article 301 to 307, interstate council article 263. So we have loaded our answer with fact. Okay, this fetch you some extra marks. Then a short and crisp conclusion. All the above help to promote competition with cooperation. GST Council is the prime example of how nation progress when state join hands. So as you can see, a very balanced answer it is, and this takes me like 17 minutes to write this answer, to think and write this answer. I am also an aspirant and I am in a learning phase, so I think that's a quite good time. If you want more answers and want to practice with me, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.